welcome back to my channel. My name is Winnie. If you're new here, you're so welcome. To my other subscribers, thank you so much for sticking around. I'm back again with another FabFitFun unboxing. And in my last video, I talked about how I got 2 boxes. One was free with my subscription, and this time I'm unboxing the box that I customized originally. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. FabFitFun is a lifestyle and beauty subscription box. I opened the box already just to save some time, and this is what it looks like. Again, the gorgeous painting. And inside the box, this is what we have. Something fell out. This is a coupon from HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a meal subscription box. So this says, get 11 meals, your first box ships free. The first thing I see here, I'm excited about this. I saw this, I'm like, I need to get this. This is a Steve Madden sunglass. It's an oval shaped sunglass. So has this little pouch, and this is it. She is gorgeous. I love this. I love this. Okay, I can't wait to wear this. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty. I look chic. Okay, so does anybody still say chic? Yes, they do. Well, I love that. And it has this little dust cloth in there. Okay, and pouch. So I really love the first item that I see. I think I'm more excited about this box because I customized it. The next item we see here is a set of napkins, set of four for the dining. Actually, I'm gonna open that. I'm doing this like late because I've had this box sitting here for a while. I had both of them sitting for a while, and just like I didn't have the time to do this. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and do this. Okay, it's well, I just take these things out. Oh, I like it. Is this like a linen material or no? What is it made of? Okay, it's 100% cotton. Okay, it's a nice size. I love it. It's lightweight, and I love the color also because my kids are not, hopefully it would like wash off when it has food all over it. Okay, I love that. The next item here is an apron. So a story about this apron is I picked it on accident. Yes, I thought I picked something else. I was going to pick something else, and I finished customizing. A while later, I went on the app because they have an app. I looked through the items and I'm like, oh no, I picked an apron. I wasn't trying to. It was a mistake. It was an accident. But you know what? It's a pretty apron. So I love cooking. I love, love, love being in the kitchen. So yes, I will definitely use that. Another thing we have in here is that. Okay, I think I know what this is. So in my last video, I unboxed a bag from 8 other reasons. Every time I want to say 8 other stories, it's not 8 other stories, it's 8 other reasons. And I said I had the bag, and I chose this bag because that was like the next best thing because they didn't have anything I was really interested in. So this is the one that I chose. And in the other box that I got for free, it was in there also. So I don't have to open this. Since I said at some point I'm just going to like give some things away, like, put together a box and send to somebody like a giveaway for one person and 2 people. So I'm gonna just leave this in the bag. If you want to see what it looks like, you can watch my other video and it's in there, but I'm gonna give this away to somebody at some point. In here, I have something for free. Sometimes they actually like would add like samples in here, maybe drink samples or like electrolyte samples, or just random things, products that they want people to try. And this is a degree 72 hours anti-perspirant. So, wow. Oh, it smells like soap. It's fine. It's not bad. Okay. Yeah. So it's just a little bottle. And the next thing in here is this is a hand cream. I also got this hand cream in my other video with the other unboxing. You can check it out. It's from Rare Beauty. It's nice and I like it. It's very, very moisturizing. This is what it looks like. And interestingly, like you can open it by twisting this little cap just like that and squeezing it out. So that's another thing that I love, and I'm gonna definitely use it. This is a jewelry. This is a necklace from Electric Pix. Yes, I love it. It's cute. It's just little, but it's cute. And yeah, it also has a code to get 20% off from if I shop with like from them. So yes, I'm definitely gonna use this. The last item is a bag. This bag is from Splits 59 Los Angeles. It says it right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this bag, I think it's a gym bag. So this is what it looks like. It's just one of these bags. I like it, especially for fall and winter. It's a nice color and I love it. On the inside, it has like a pocket, a compartment, and then there's like a zipper on the other side of it. So this can fit quite a good number of things. You can put in like your gym towel in there, or gym clothes, accessories, water bottle, like stuff. Well, yeah. Or you can just use it for other things. I see people with these bags, like use it as handbags, it's the same thing. Or like traveling. But it's a nice bag. So far, I'm more excited about this sunglass. Let me know in the comment section what you guys like the most. We've come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.